jointness, Atmanirbharta and indigenization. This is the entire tableau design and based on PM's vision of Samudra Utkarshta and women empowerment and also Jai Se Vijay. Over here we have depicted the jointness of the armed forces, how we are becoming Atmanirbhar, and through indigenous and all out efforts of the Indian industry, how we have become a mighty power of the Indian Navy in the maritime domain of the Indian Ocean region. Over here we have depicted the old age stitch ship INSV Kaundinya, then the Maratha, the Gurab, a very potent platform from the Maratha Navy, moving on to the 100th and 101st indigenous ship by the Indian Navy, that is INS Himgiri and INS Udaygiri, and the very potent INS Vikrant with its aviation component over here. We are also depicting the two lady officers, Lieutenant Commander Dilna, Lieutenant Commander Rupa, who went circumnavigation on the boat INSV Tarani, and also not to forget the very potent silent deep submarine, the deep killer INS Kalvari submarine, showing with the missile launch TLAM. So overall, if you see, and of course we are forgetting that the satellite communication, the Drishti UAV. So you know the future lies in the technologically advanced UAVs, unmanned drones, remote controlled, and also the potent helicopter platforms ahead.
It is a amalgamation of all the ideas. So I have to mix all the ideas into one single platform. So it is just, we had space constraints and we had to finalize which all things we need to put in and what we try to say. And the idea of Tableau is we are showcasing the world that what we are capable of. So for that, I have only few options, few models and a small globe and just to keep. So I think the effort that we have made in keeping these models, I've used Photoshop and 3D Max for this, for finalizing the dimensions and all. That's all. It was challenging, but it was very proud also for doing so.